Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this new video, I will show you how to turn on bicycling in Google Maps. This is very useful and simple but easy. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos. Now let's start. First, open Google Maps on your device. Then tap on this button. This is upper side of your screen. Then see here, under the map details tab, you can see bicycling option. Now tap on this to turn on bicycling mode. See here how it's look. Now bicycling mode is on. If you want to turn it off, tap on it again. Then again tap on bicycling. See here bicycling mode is now off. That's it. I hope you understand this process. If you like this, then thumbs up. And also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos. Thank you.